So eFORT started in 2004, and it was born out of a catastrophic electronic failure with one of the state agencies. They decided to move into the eFORT data center, and as a matter of cost savings, the state took it over and runs it as a co-location facility for the state agencies in Colorado. Over time, it has decreased in usage, and it just no longer really makes sense to keep the facility around when we have another facility to take over that role. As part of the eFORT migration project, we will move all of the equipment either to the Lakewood data center, or we will migrate the service into the cloud as part of our cloud offering for OIT. In the process of decommissioning any rack within the eFORT data center, we first have to verify that every piece of equipment in that rack is no longer utilized, which requires some networking investigations, some firewall investigation, and talking to the agency to make sure that they're fully off of the equipment whatsoever. Once that happens, then we have to take all the equipment out of the rack and surplus that equipment, which means we have to pull all the hard drives out and take those to Lakewood for secure destruction later. And then we have to pull all the cables out of the rack and clean everything up. So there are a lot of challenges with migrating an entire data center, from not knowing all of the network pieces and having to discover firewalls, usages, ports, to understanding the business implications of moving an application. Some applications can't take an outage greater than an hour, and up to this point it's taken us over 6 months to just fully understand all of the pieces that are going to have to be moved and have an idea of where they're going to move.
Our migrations will start January of 2023 and go through July of 2024. Then we'll have about 6 months to do cleanup and be out of eFORT by January of 2025.
By migrating out of the eFORT data center into our cloud and local data center, we are creating a more modern foundational infrastructure upon which all of our compute will be simpler to manage, and we will be able to build out the services and digital offerings to all Coloradans to make it easier for them to get to any time of day.